Yeah. I see it, yeah.
These are so hot.
Ooh, you got a bug on you.
Look, there's mushrooms.
No, you hold the rocks.
Look, Mama, there's mushrooms all over the place.
Yeah, there are. There are mushrooms.
Even some that look sort of the same.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Let's go pick some more flowers.
No, we got enough.
We'll pick some more on the way. Come on, let's go. It's
All right.
Smell our flowers.
Yeah, do they smell good?
Yeah, I think the bees are. What is this white stuff on me? What's this?
It's okay. It's probably pollen or something. Or it's probably from that mushroom. We'll wash your hands.
What's this? I think it's pollen.
Well, don't put your hands in your mouth. We'll wash your hands
Yeah,
too.
it's pollen. I smelled it.